cousin. Look at the cush I'm pushing. All this bud I'm bunning, maybe George Bush the button. What's cooking, good looking. She wanna put one in the oven. Stuff it like sage and onion. I was microwaving rustlers, scamming Dave and Busters. The hairs on the haze is the shade of mustard. At the stove like I'm making custard. I put a price on your head, now your days are numbered. You ain't got no hands, Ben Askren, assassin. Assess the situation, then I clap him. Rock you like Eric Clapton. Guinness punch with the planting. Black tent with 20 plants in. Sounds like Saxon, sitting in the Hakkasan. This shit hitting like the heroin from Pakistan. Pack it in the Pakaraban, I'm the man. I pull it out of the bag, Alakazam. I pop the cheddar, ain't nobody better. This shit is just whatever. I make the cuts, raid the Tuscan leather. Mandy dust in the Dr. Pepper. I catch a body like Dr. Lecter. Living lavishly, the fans were missing me. I kept it under my hat, the man of mystery. I value anonymity. Man's mimic me, I put an old dog out of its misery. You can't outwit me, I'm Bobby Brown breaking down Whitney. Shout out the Wolftown Committee. I got legendary status. Big fuck off buds with the Ben and Jerry's flavors. I sent my dog to fetch the paper. I roll a L in the executive suite with the excavator. Fix the belt and braces, running round with the regulators. I spot my brethren laters.